Hey everybody, today we're talking about the map inside your Tesla. So first, we have quick shortcuts. If you slide to the left or you slide down, straight down, it'll automatically route you home or to your preset work, depending on whether you're at one of those or the other. Now, if you click on navigation, it'll bring up all your recent searches, plus Hungry, which will find local restaurants, and Lucky, which will find local activities to do, and you can preset some favorites. Click out of here. You have this north, south, east, west button, which will change the map from facing the same direction as you to facing north at all times. So this is north. This is the same direction as me. Now, if you're super zoomed in, you can, if you have a route preset, let's say home, you can click on this button to get, a zoomed in view of your next direction, and click it again to get a full overview of your route. Down here, we have satellite map. We can add stoplights, and we can add local superchargers. That's all for now. Have a great day.